This is how I get 2 meals using 1 kebab mix, and you should try it too. First, we will make chicken cutlets over a crunchy vegetable salad, and then this colorful chicken kebab chutney. 2 meals using 1 mix. Before we start with the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share the recipe, and hit that notification bell. So let's get started with this chicken mix, which will feed a family of 4 for each of the meals. To a food processor, add 6 boiled medium potatoes. Process this and then add 1 kg of chicken fillet cut into smaller pieces. Add a handful of coriander to this and process again. Once this is done, add in the juice of 1 lemon squeezed and 2 cups of cooking oats. Then process this until well combined again. Empty all the contents into a bowl and then add the following spices. 1 teaspoon of red chili garlic paste. Add more if you like your food spicy. 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of fine salt, 4 eggs. Then mix everything together until well combined. Leave the mixture in the fridge for about 1 hour, and doing this allows any water in the mixture to be soaked by the oats. Separate the mixture into 2 portions and place on plastic trays. You can cover and seal these trays, then freeze to use whenever required. To make the chicken cutlets, you will need to rub some oil onto your hands so the cutlets don't stick to them. Obviously, if you have frozen these, you will need to allow them to thaw out properly. Take a portion equal to your palm size and shape into a cutlet. Then roll over breadcrumbs, making sure it is well coated. Shallow fry these in medium hot oil, or you can use your air fryer. And only turn them when one side is golden brown after about 5 to 8 minutes. Serve with some lovely crunchy fresh salad. Here I have used lettuce, tomatoes, and carrots. Then place the kebabs over this. And I have also added some mild chili sauce to pair with this meal. That's 1 meal for 1 day done. Now let's make our meal for another day, our chicken kebab chutney. To a deep-based pot, add in a 1/4 cup of sunflower oil. Then add 2 medium onions finely chopped and allow this to braise until slightly brown. In a separate bowl, add 2 grated tomatoes, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of rough salt, 1 green chili slit in half, or you could leave this out entirely. Once the onions change color, add in the tomato mix. Allow the tomato mix to simmer for about 5 minutes on low heat while making and shaping our kebabs. Take about a palm-size amount and shape into round kebabs. After 5 minutes of allowing the tomato mix to simmer, add in 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Then add in the kebabs and close the pot. Only check on these kebabs after 10 minutes of cooking. They will be properly cooked without crumbling. If you fidget with it too much, it will start breaking as it cooks. Add a little water and allow to steam properly. This kebab chutney usually takes about 15 minutes to cook. Garnish with some coriander and you're ready to serve. Enjoy making this, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and until the next vlog, happy cooking!